The new release of Transcriber adds an important request feature, the ability to batch transcribe multiple files. This saves time and optimizes resources. A new icon has appeared in the onboarding window, as you can see. To do batch processing, click on this icon. This window opens. In this window you can do the multiple processing. Here in the upper left corner, select the language of the transcription. You can leave auto in case you do not know beforehand the language in which the videos or audio files to be transcribed are spoken. At the top right, however, you see the output format. You can choose to export as SRT, text, RTF, or FCP-XML. Now select the files you want to transcribe and drag them into this area. They will appear as a list here in the center. You can also drag entire folders. All transcriber-compatible media files contained in the folder and subfolders will be added to the batch. Before starting automatic batch transcription, it is necessary to explain what happens. When automatically transcribing a video or audio file, two files are created: the session file, the one with the transcriber extension, and the actual output file, with the subtitles or transcribed text. This session file is also created so that, at any time, you can still edit and update the project. Each of these files can be saved independently, in the same folder as the source file, in a subfolder of this folder, or in a specific folder. As for the name of the file that will be created, by default both the session file and the output file have the same name as the source file, with the extension changed of course. However, you can also add a prefix or suffix. In the batch processing window, click on the icon in the upper right corner. This screen will open, in which you can still specify language and output format, but also per session and per output file, destination and name with prefix and suffix. You can also specify custom values for each file. Click on the custom settings icon, and you can set parameters for each individual file. Finally, press on the Start Batch button to start the processing. When finished, you will find the files thus generated in the specified folders. If you click on this icon, you can locate the generated session file. While if you click on this other icon, the output file will be shown in the Finder. If you click on this button in the lower left corner, you can clear the entire list and start a new batch. As for the transcription settings, these are inherited from the global preferences. Select from the menu Transcriber, Settings. In the Whisper settings, you can specify in more detail how to perform transcription, as we have explained in previous tutorials. Finally, in the Advanced settings, you can also change the model that is used for transcription. The default is the large model, which has better quality and takes longer to process. If you choose the medium model, the processing time is reduced by half, with a slight decrease in quality. If you choose the small model, the processing speed increases by 6 times, but the quality of the transcription is less accurate, though still certainly better than that offered by Siri, at least up to macOS 13. That's all for this tutorial. We are sure that this new feature will make various workflows even better and faster. The new version of Transcriber, September 2023, is a free update for all Transcriber owners. Learn more about Transcriber by going to ulti.media/transcriber and download the trial version.